Hi, I'm Valerie Williams from Pilates by Val. I'm a certified Pilates instructor and a Franklin Method educator. And today I'm talking to you about SI issues. What's going on? Where is the SI? Well, let me show you. So here's your pelvis. And right behind the pelvis is your sacrum. So you have your right pelvic half, your left pelvic half, and right here, if you see in this line, is your SI joint, either right side or left side. There's your SI joint. Your sacrum moves. Now, if I turn this around in the front of the pelvis, right in front of the sacrum is what they call your center of balance. So if your center of balance is just kind of off kilter, that could create issues for your SI joint. And what is that? Well, I'm going to come back here so you can see what I mean. So let's go ahead and do this with me. Stand on both legs and just kind of shift to one side. So shift to the right, shift to the left, and just kind of notice. Maybe one side is a little easier to move than the other. Maybe one hip really kind of comes up and the other doesn't. And what does that mean? Well, that means is that that's the movement that you normally do probably most of the time because it's easier to move and not the other. So that sacrum is a little out of balance because being pulled by that one pelvic half. And today we're going to do some exercises to help balance that out. Okay, so here we are. We're going to do some exercises to help balance the sacrum. So what I'll need you to do is get just a rolled up towel, just something that you can elevate your pelvis, and place the rolled up towel just right underneath that sacrum vertically like this, okay? So here we go. Lie down, place the towel under the sacrum, right in the middle, okay? And if you're not sure, don't worry about it. Just think about it right in the middle of the pelvis. And then place your hands on the pelvis. And if you're not sure where that is, just kind of tap lightly. You'll feel a bone right there. And then place a hand on either side. Now, just see if you can make one leg longer than the other and allow that pelvis to kind of hike up. And then you're going to switch. So one pelvic half is going to hike up, the other one goes down. All right? And so just make one leg longer than the other and just keep on going. And breathe, right? And then go ahead and bend the knees and open the feet out just a little bit. And we're going to rock that pelvis side to side. The knees are going to move, the pelvis is going to rock. Think of it like a boat. Right, so you're just kind of rocking side to side like this. Knees are moving, pelvis is moving. Now, do the same thing, but see if you can get the legs to move without moving the pelvis. And if you're not sure, it always helps to kind of place your hands on your pelvis so that you can kind of feel whether it is moving or not. So see if you can move the legs independently from the pelvis. And this is just kind of freeing your hip joints. All right, now you're going to bring one leg up, one knee up, and then see if you can open that leg out, again, without moving that pelvis. And then lower it down. And let's do the other side. So you're going to go up, you're going to open out, bring it in, and lower down. So we're just kind of moving this leg in that hip joint without moving that pelvis. And just kind of notice if, one side is a little easier to move than the other, right? So if it is, then that is your dominant side. That's the side that you use or do more often, right? And we'll do it a few more times. Now, my left side is always the problem side, so see if you can find the problem side and just do that a few more times. And if you're not sure, then just keep going one leg at a time. All right? And a few more times. One more time. And then down. And then remove your towel. And then just kind of stretch out your legs. And just kind of notice how it feels. Should feel a little more free, a little more balanced. And then you can bend your knees. Best way to come up is roll to your side and then come right back up. So thank you again for watching. My name is Valerie Williams from Pilates by Val. Please leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see next. And again, thank you for watching.